Hello everybody, this is AustinEndO here and welcome everybody to this tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can mine bitcoins in this year 2021 guys. So make sure that you watch this video till the end so you'll understand how to mine bitcoins and all. So yeah, so let's get started with this video as soon as possible. So as you can see guys, today the bitcoin rate is crazy. It's almost 32,000 US dollars, and leave that, before it was almost 39,000, 40,000 US dollars almost. Yeah, it was exactly 40,000 US dollars. And when I talk about Indian currency, it was almost around 30 lakh rupees. So that is really insane guys. So this is the correct time, I guess, to just invest on Bitcoin. As you can see, it's just going low now. So Bitcoin mining will be a bit easier than it was before, because the algorithm is really very difficult to crack. So I'll give the links in the description guys. The link will redirect you to this website over here, crypto tab browser. So make sure that if you are a Windows user, you can download over here. If you are an Android user, you can click over here. If you are an iPhone user, you can click over here, and make sure that you normally download this. And after you download this guys, make sure that you install the crypto tab browser. If you want, you can set it as the default browser, so it will be much better for your Bitcoin mining and your earnings as well. And once you go to your Bitcoin over here, guys, it will be something like this. Your balance will be zero over here. So make sure that you head over this three lined icon over here, and make sure there will be a login over here. So make sure that you click on login over here. I'll also show that this website pays you Bitcoin. So yeah, let me just show you. I'll just go here, and yeah, let you show you my payment history. So last year only, I had 2 years before, I had withdrawn my Bitcoin over here, 0.0007 Bitcoin over here, as you can see. And this I had cancelled. I was thinking this is the correct time to withdraw, but I had myself cancelled the transaction. So yeah, so it depends on you guys, and this website pays as I have shown you, as you can see. Yeah, so make sure you can, you can, if you want you can log in with your Google account, your VK account. There are many options. If you click on login over here, login will be somewhere over here, and you can just start mining, just clicking max over here, so it will start mining. And you just have to just minimize your crypto tab browser and just sit idle. You don't have to do anything. If you want, you can do your other work as well. If you have good amount of RAM in your PC, like 8 GB or maybe 16 GB DDR4 RAM. So yeah, I've started mining over here. So yeah, this is all my income currently. And if you want, if you want, you can also invite more people to your uh, crypto tab, so your minings will be boosted as well. So yeah, that is how you can use crypto tab and use it to your full potential. And let me tell you this at very beginning guys, this is not a one day get rich method. So this is a very long investment guys, so you have to wait for, like, I think months or maybe years. And yeah, and I'm sure that guys, you will also earn good amounts of Bitcoin and for your further future investment as well. So take it guys as an investment and not as a one day getting rich method. So thank you so much guys for understanding and watching this video. If you like this video, then please do leave a like, share this video as much as possible with your friends, so they could get help as well. And I'll take my leave now guys. I am AustinEndO here, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care everybody.